How to manage the shield icon on the Windows Terminal title bar in Windows 11. Enter Windows Terminal with a cleaner interface. Here's how to enable or disable the shield icon on the Windows Terminal title bar in Windows 11 and newer supported builds of Windows Terminal. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. What is the shield icon on the Windows Terminal title bar? Users may notice that, in recent versions of Windows Terminal, a shield icon appears in the title bar to indicate that Windows Terminal is running with administrator privileges. However, if users prefer a cleaner interface, there are 4 methods they can use to hide or show this icon. Methods to enable or disable shield icon on Windows Terminal title bar. Settings GUI. Straightforwardly, you can open the Settings menu of Windows Terminal, navigate to the Appearance section, and toggle the Display a Shield in the title bar when Windows Terminal is running as administrator option on or off. This method is best suited for individual users because it does not require administrator privileges. Registry Editor. Another method is to modify the registry editor, preferable for those who want a finer-grained control over the shield icon. Once you run Registry Editor, navigate to then create a new DWORD 32-bit value named Show Admin Shield and set the value to 1 to enable the shield icon or 0 to disable it. PowerShell. The next 2 methods are especially useful for system administrators managing multiple devices or users. For the PowerShell method, open PowerShell and run one of the following commands to enable or disable the shield icon. To enable, to disable. Group Policy. For the Group Policy method, open the local Group Policy editor and navigate to User Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, Windows Terminal. Afterwards, look for the Show Shield icon when running as administrator policy and set it to enabled or disabled. By hiding the shield icon, you can use Windows Terminal with a cleaner, less distracting interface. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to enable or disable Windows Terminal title bar shield icon, linked in the description below. Be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this.